How you doing? I'm Dan from Excel Sports Coaching, and I'm going to cover the fitness section for you guys to all try at home. Get your families involved. Try and do your best. Go as many rounds as you want. It's based on Tabata workout. For those people who don't know what that is, all you need to do is just Google it. That'll give you the music. Dead straightforward. It's about 20 to 30 seconds worth of work, followed by 10 seconds worth of resting period. It will tell you when to go. It will tell you when to start. We're about to get started right now. Just keep yourself nice and loose all the way through, and don't forget to breathe. Okay? So the first exercise we're going to do is something called burpees. And very straightforward to move. If you can't do burpees, just go to squat and go as far down as you can go. It starts off like this. Go up, down, in, up. Simple. From the side. Don't have to go down as low, you just go straight back in. Those ones are pushing themselves all the way down, back up. Again, take your time. You'll notice, it tells you to stop. Get yourself on the floor, on the mat if you've got one. Then now go to crunches. Palms on top of knees. Head looking up, not to put strain off your neck. Don't forget to breathe as well. Breathe out all the way up, in the way down. Period. Next exercise, again working our core, working our trunk. Elbows out and up. Opposite knee to elbows from here. Crossing our body. We're just going to work all this part now. Okay. The more you twist, the better you'll get the workout. The higher your knee, the better the workout as well. And again, don't forget to breathe. There's your rest. Next exercise we're going to do is a squat. Make sure our toes are facing slightly outwards. Knees go over our toes. Back nice and straight. Go down as low as you can go. Keeping our heels on the floor. And again from the side. If you can only go this low, that's fine. If you go lower, that's even better. We're keeping a nice neutral spine all the way through. And relax. Repeat those 4 moves again for a second time round to complete the circuit. So we're straight back onto burpees. Hit up. Relax, back onto the mat on the floor. Again, don't forget to breathe in between, make sure you get your rest. Palms on top of knees. Want a better challenge, you can cross over. A bit higher. Not too hard, just go up a little bit. Do pulses instead. Ivy up there. So again, we're going back onto our obliques, our side muscles. Elbows right out. Hands on toe hold, not the back of the neck. Crossing over. And again, important thing, make sure you're breathing. Only got one more to do. And we're going to go to squats next time round. Okay, last exercise. With toes facing slightly outwards. Let's go. And again, go to your ability. Get everybody involved. Play some decent music, which has got a Tabata work track, and you'll get the timing perfectly right. And we're nearly done. Good. Okay. So remember, you can repeat that as many times as you want to, 2, 3 times, depending on how fit you want to feel that day. But there you go, there's your workout. Thank you very much.